Luxury home builders are adding value to their projects by using natural timber as exterior cladding. Modinex Group has the most extensive range of architecturally designed exterior claddings in the nation. We have a wide range of Australian hardwoods and other exotic timber species. All of our timber is sustainably sourced, PEFC certified, has very high thermal insulation properties, high durability, and will enhance your project for many years to come. Today, we're going to run you through the installation of exterior timber claddings in both horizontal and vertical applications. Before you start, make sure you have breathable sarking installed against the frame and at least 20mm batten behind to create the air gap. To minimise wastage, it is a good idea to compare the cladding boards supplied with your project, taking into consideration any window and door penetrations. With our exterior timber cladding range, you have two options of trims. You can use either aluminium or natural timber. Both are suitable for all applications. The choice is yours to suit your project. First step is to get your trims into place, starting with your internal corner and your external corner. Following this, you want your edge flashings and starter bars in position. Ensure above windows and doors you have a Z flashing to keep moisture out. Now our trims are in place, the cladding boards can be installed, starting from the bottom, working our way up. When using natural timber trims without the aluminium starter bar, the first board will need to be face fixed. We start by installing the first board, ensuring that it's level and at least 20mm off the ground to allow for an air gap. When installing exterior timber cladding horizontally, ensure the tongue is facing up. The easiest way to fix it is to run a fastener through the guideline on a 45° angle. This ensures that the fastener head is covered by the overlap of the next board. As the build progresses, we recommend checking the level every 4 to 5 boards. When installing around window and door penetrations, the boards can be recessed behind the reveal, or as an option, you can use a timber trim as a border. At the top of the wall, if a full board doesn't fit, the board can be ripped down to suit and then face fixed into place. For a vertical application, it's the same installation method as a horizontal. The only difference is the starter bar. All joins need to happen over a batten or stud. To reduce wastage, rather than cutting back to your nearest stud, an intermediate batten can be installed. For vertical application, we suggest a miter joint, or for horizontal applications, a sealed butt joint is fine. The final step in the build process is to install your trims. Before installation, we recommend applying a full coat of penetrating oil to all 4 sides of the board. After installation, another coat must be applied. This helps to cover any marks or handprints that have been left on the boards. Using the right exterior timber cladding, whether it's hardwoods or softwoods, can add a lot of value to your project. To learn more, get in touch with the team at Modinex through our website.